If you think you've explored every option for your shop's growth, it's time to hear about the solutions no one's told you. Proven new strategies that don't involve working more hours or burning yourself out. We train shop owners, managers, and advisors to improve profit, efficiency, and leadership through practical, easy-to-follow processes. In a free business assessment for your shop, we reveal the smarter, faster ways to grow. You'll walk out with actionable, impactful answers that move you toward the vision you had when you first started your business. Here's what's included. We evaluate 6 key areas: financials, leadership, marketing, sales, management, and operations. Together, they give a complete picture of your shop's health and performance. We show you exactly where your growth opportunities are, compare them to where you are today and what your potential can be, and lay out a clear path to get there. You'll leave with clarity, confidence, and a real path forward. Side by side, you'll see how to increase your profit, free up your time, and build a business that runs without you having to be there 80 hours a week. If you choose to go forward, know that we believe in sustainable growth, that these strategies are built to create lasting change, not quick fixes. They're designed to repair, not replace, which means no starting over, no risky investments, and no wasted effort. And we don't stop there. Our team works side by side with you for the long term, helping you stay accountable and making sure your growth continues. That's why we have hundreds of success stories from shop owners who've regained their freedom, grown their profit, and built teams they can trust. These programs work for shops of all types, from one-bay independents to multiple location operations. They help shop owners break through plateaus, increase revenue, and finally take control of their business and their lives. They're delivered by coaches who have lived it, not just theorists, but real shop owners who've been where you are and know how to help you reach that next level. Paired with experts from other industries who brought their expertise into the automotive space. Your first consultation is normally $600, but right now it's free. With locations and coaches across North America, lasting freedom is closer than you think. Fill out the form today and take your first step toward more profit, more time, and more freedom.